Very strong figures indeed for the Scottish economy. Strong job growth. A third of all the jobs in the UK were created in Scotland in these latest figures. Unemployment is still far too high, of course, but it's a cause for some hope and confidence that we now have lower unemployment in the UK average, we've got higher employment, and we've got lower economic inactivity rates. So in all the key measurements, Scotland is outperforming the rest of the UK at the present moment. But you know, in times like this, when we've got better figures, I think this is exactly the time where you should move forward. Don't be complacent, move forward. So I'm writing to the Prime Minister today and I'm reiterating the demand that the 30 shovel-ready projects that we've identified that could help the Scottish economy this year are now allowed by the Westminster Treasury to go ahead. We need that capital investment in the Scottish economy, in the public sector, and these shovel-ready projects to aid the recovery that's taking place in the private sector in Scotland. Well, the strong job growth figures, I think there's been some spectacularly good inward investment announcements recently, which has been very, very good for Scotland. There's also been signs of business confidence in the small business sector returning. There's been a range of surveys which have indicated that. So we've got strong job growth, but you know, unemployment is still far too high. I mean, for example, in these figures, the youth unemployment is down to, I think, 94,000. You know, we've seen figures of over 100,000, but you know, 94,000 is still a very big figure, albeit many of these people are actually in full-time education, and that's why we have to continue the drive against youth unemployment. The figures indicate reasons for hope. They're excellent figures in the context of a deep recession, but there's not a single moment of complacency in this government. On the contrary, we'd like to see the economic freedom and economic powers and to enable to power the Scottish economy forward again.